A 12-box carton of 12-ounce juice boxes comes in a rectangular box 10.5 inches by 8 inches by 5 inches. What is the volume of the carton? We're asked to find the volume of a rectangular box. The numbers 12-box carton, the fact that the carton contains 12 boxes, and the size 12 ounces of the juice boxes are not important for the question that we're asked. We're asked to find the volume of the carton, so what we need is the dimensions of that carton. The formula for the volume of a rectangular box, V, is length times width times height. We substitute the values in the problem. 10.5 inches times 8 inches times 5 inches. 10.5 inches, we're going to multiply this mixed numeral, so we want to write that as a fraction. 21/2 inches times 8 inches times 5 inches. Now this will be 21/2 times 8 times 5 inches cubed. We have then 21 times 8 times 5/2 cubic inches. And factoring the 8 in order to simplify, we have 21 times 2 times 4 times 5/2 cubic inches. And we can cancel the 2's, writing a 2 times 1 in the denominator to make sure there's still a 1 left. And then we have 21 times 4 times 5 divided by 1, or 420 cubic inches as the volume of the carton.